I gotta hand it to you. Nissan, you guys did a great job in the Titan. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. I don't know about you, but I like to drive my cars washed. You know, I like to look good in my cars, you know, wash them and all. And today I'm driving my company truck. This is a 2011 Nissan Titan. And today I gotta go and pick up the boss, and I gotta take him over to the airport here in Ontario. Now, there's a new car wash just down the street from us here that they opened up about a month ago or so. So we're gonna go and check this car wash out. It's All-American Express car wash, and let's just take a look and see how this car wash is all about. Well, guys, it was quite an experience. I really liked the car wash. It really did a real good job. It cleaned the truck up real nice. It did a thorough job. I was really impressed with the tire shining brushes that they have. And just the car wash itself, it's a real good looking car wash. It's All-American Express car wash, but I thought it would be a good idea to kind of, you know, go through the experience of with this new car wash and all that stuff, because I love my cars washed and clean and everything else. And I thought, you know, perhaps you guys out there are also looking for a car wash here in the Eastville, Chino area. And so this car wash is a great place. As I was there, I also met the owner of the car wash, and he was a real Sam was his name, and he told me about some of the promotions that they have. They also got a club system going on. I'll try to put their link down at the bottom, and some of the promotions that they have as well. So if you guys have a chance and want to you know, wash your car, just come out to All-American Car Wash here in Chino. And they're located right there at the corner of Mill Creek Street and also Pine Avenue. So you know, check them out and everything. All right, guys, thanks, and I'll catch you guys on the next time.